Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a Poofy pom-pom pal. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the Fairfield Public Library or the Woods Branch Library, you'll find the following items: some tissue paper, one sheet of white construction paper or cardstock, one piece of yarn, and you'll also need some additional items: scissors, some coloring materials, and glue. Other things that might be helpful are a pencil with an eraser and something to draw a circle with if you want. All right, let's clear up our workspace and get started. So friends, the tissue paper that you got will come folded, so go ahead and open it up and smooth it out. Now, I'm going to show you how I made these hairs on my Poofy pal here. So on the long edge, what I did was I went ahead and cut snips, maybe about an inch, inch and a half. You can go up to 2 inches if you want. And I just snipped all of the sheets of tissue paper on the long edge. And now I'm going to flip this and do the same thing on this long edge. All right, so now what I'm going to do is turn my paper this way because I'm going to start an accordion fold on the short edge. So let's see, about an inch, inch and a half or so. I'm gonna fold one way and the other, trying to keep these folds pretty even, so not going beyond the fold, trying to keep them pretty even. All right, so that came out pretty even, but if it didn't and you had extra hanging over, you could cut that off. Now I'm going to fold in half this way, just so that I can find the midpoint, and I'm going to open it back up and take my yarn, and I'm going to go ahead and tie off this at the midpoint, keeping the accordion folds. Make these even here. And if you need to, you can flip and tie again. So now you can keep this string here. Go ahead and open up your accordion folds. You want to try to make it like a circle. For each piece of tissue paper that you have, you want to come in and pull up one side and then the other side, and just pull up to the center. You can do. You might want to start at the edge so you don't tear these little pieces here, your little fluffs. Okay, and make sure you don't have any left. All right, that's one side, and now we'll do the other side. All right, and now now you have the beginnings of your Poofy pal. So what you want to do with this is make some eyes, a nose, a mouth, or however you want to decorate your Poofy pal. So I am going to draw, and I'm going to cut them out. You could cut out each individual piece and glue them on like I did with this friend here. But I think what I'm going to do with this friend is go ahead and I'm going to cut around here, and this will be the face that I'm just going to stick on my Poofy pal, and then I'll cut around the ears and the tail. Now, one more thing, you may want to go ahead and color them in. If you want to use your envelope as protection for your workspace, you can go ahead and do that, and then color each of these things in. All right, and I don't need to color the back of this in because I'm going to glue this right on as the face. Also, if you want to hang up your pal, you can keep the string and use that to hang your pal up. If you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and come on down here and snip off the excess yarn, okay? So let's make a Poofy pal here. I'm going to, again, use this as my protection for my table. Use my glue stick and find a good spot here to put the face. I think I'm going to do it right here. So there's face. I'm going to glue the tail on just on the edge. So I'm going to put glue right on the edge on both sides. And also on the ears, just on the bottom on both sides. Kind of stick it in between. And there is my Poofy pal. Please remember to clean up. Nice job, everyone. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your Poofy pom-pom pal. And I hope to see you here at the library and for other DIY events. Please check our calendar. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.